Okay, hello and welcome to my family room. Today we have the Feelcare 10-inch Wi-Fi photo frame, and I'm gonna check this thing out and see how it works. I wish I would have had a knife with me, but I don't. So let's see if I can get this open. There we go. There's one side. And the other side. Cover. Well, definitely the first one to get this package. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So here we are. Here's the power adapter and a single screw for the wall mount. It's pretty nice. They give you a screw if you want to mount it on the wall, which I'll probably do. And so here's the power adapter, and I have a power strip here on the floor. I think it'll fit. Yep, okay, good. So I'm gonna have power for this thing. Here, this is, well, it looks like this is probably for the stand, so it'll stand up. So, it comes with the instructions here. Can you see it? The light might make it kind of messed up, but these are the instructions. And then here is the frame, and you can see on the back of it, so this is the front of the frame, but on the back of the frame, it's got a little screw area there, so I could put the stand this way, or if I want it to be up and down, I could put it there. I'm gonna go for the sideways version of it, because why not? Seems like more of my pictures, I think I take that way. Although now with the phone, I do take a lot of up and down pictures, but okay, whatever. Let's see, where's this plug into it? Oh, up in here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys this. So up in this little section in here, you can kind of see, you guys probably see it better than me even. There's the power, there's a little, looks like it's micro SD port, and then here is an SD card slot. It looks like it might be micro SD or those tiny ones. So let's see, so here it goes on. So the Feelcare, and we'll see how it works. I installed this app called Frameo, and it looks like that's what it was supposed to use. So I pre-installed that already before, just because I knew I was going to be using this. So I'm gonna, let's see, I aim it down just a little bit more. And let's see, welcome. I'm gonna sit on this side here so you guys can see what I'm doing with it as it goes. Never disconnect the power when the Frameo is running. Oh, and let's see if I take off. Oh, that didn't work. It's got a plastic cover on it, and this little thing was supposed to take it off, but it didn't do it. All it did was peel off the sticker. But let's see. Okay, English, next. Connect to Wi-Fi. There we go. And I'll put in my password. If you watch that one close enough, you'll see what my super secret password is. So it wants to download and update, so sure, we'll do that. And we're gonna try to remove this front sticker. I think it's got a sticker on it. Oh, man, I don't know how to get to it because it's so... Oh, there, almost got it. Oh, I had it for a second. Did you see it there? It was coming up. The little plastic cover was coming up. Oh, man. And then I went back down again. Do I have a knife here or anything? Of course not. Of course I don't have anything I need. I see it's like got a little bubble there for where I was getting it. Let's see. My nails are too short. Apparently I bite my nails. I shouldn't do that. Oh, there we go. It's coming up again. There. Whoa, perfect. See? There. Oh, now it's a nice clear picture. Much clearer now. Okay, so English, yeah. Update, Frameo. My full name is Neil. space, and my last name is, oops, R-A-P-O-P-O-R-T. R-A-P-O-P-O-R-T. My frame location, I'm gonna say it's my family room. And my time zone is, oops, it's not that. It's, where is it? Central time. I'm in Dallas. And here it's gonna guide me. So it says install Frameo, generate a code, pass on the code, download the app, and now I'm ready. Okay, so I have not received any photos yet. Type a friend, so I'm gonna add a friend, and there's my code. So now what I wanna do is go into my Frameo app, and I'm gonna do add a new frame. So now it says the frame, I'm gonna enter my frame code, so that's 89, 88, 20, 1405. So I do that, and my new friend is added. And then I go to, so now I pick whatever picture. So like here's a picture of me I took this morning. So I'm gonna start, oh, actually that's an up and down picture, I think. Actually it's a square picture. So I'm curious what that's gonna do. So I'm gonna send it to my frame. I also have one for my mom, but I'm gonna say me. Hi. I'm gonna send this one here, and I put my face in there. And there, I sent it, and there it is. So it pops up on the screen. So that's pretty good. And boy, that looks pretty clear. Let me find some other pictures and send them. Let me find some ones that are sideways. So I was just in Indiana, so I'm gonna take, okay, so I'm gonna pick, oops, how do I do this? I want this picture. Okay, that picture, I'm gonna take, sure, this picture is a nice one, and I'll do this one here. So I need next, I'm gonna send it to Neil, next, and I don't need a caption on this one here, and I'll center that thing. So I'm gonna send these, and so here it says they're sending. So there, it's 97%. You have received new photos, so there I received 3 new photos, and so there they are. So that's pretty cool, 4 new photos. So I can see my photos just by scrolling through them, and it's really clear. I mean, you can't zoom or anything like a phone, but that's pretty nice. So I can give one of these frames. So what I did before was I had a different Frameo frame, and I sent it to my mom. So I'm gonna go back over here. So I sent the Frameo frame to my mother, and now what I do is I upload pictures, and she has a code for me, a code for my brother and sister, and we all are able to upload our pictures and like send them to her frame. You know, it's just Wi-Fi on her network, and we're able to do that. So it's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna have one too, so she can send me pictures, and my brother and sister can send me pictures of my nieces and nephews, and my kids can, or anybody can upload a picture they want on my frame. And I think like if there's a picture that I don't like, I can click on it and I can delete it and stuff like that too. So I'm pretty good. So it's pretty neat. I like these Frameo frames. The software works great, but I mean, this one's not Frameo. It's made by Feelcare. So it's the Feelcare frame. So this one here, it's really nice. I like it. It's got a really good picture. I'm surprised with how good the picture is. I wasn't expecting it to be so clear. I mean, you probably can't see on there because it's a video of a video and stuff, but this picture, I'm gonna turn off the light here. The picture is really good. It's like so clear. For a picture frame, I mean, it looks like a picture. It's amazing. So that's it. So here's my review and the unboxing of this one here, the Feelcare, and it uses the awesome Frameo app, which I love. And the Feelcare, this one here is the 10-inch, and it's got 16 gigs of onboard storage, so that means I can just keep sending pictures until it uses up all 16 gigs, which is, they're saying it's like 5,000 photos, so it's a lot of photos, but if you really wanted more, you could always put in a little memory card, or you can delete it as you go, or whatever. It's all awesome. So thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to increase my viewers here, so definitely do that, and thanks for watching.